Hello, I'm Dr. Diego Di Marco and I'm OB/GYN here in Brazil. And today I'd like to walk you through something incredibly important and often emotional for new parents. How to get a Brazilian passport for your newborn baby. I know that when you are giving birth in another country, the idea of dealing with legal process, documents, translation authorities can feel overwhelming. But let me tell you right now, you are not alone. With the right guidance, this process is simple, legal, and beautifully rewarding. Let's go step by step. Step 1. The birth certificate right after your baby is born. The very first legal step is registering the baby. This is often be done right at the hospital or, if needed, at the local public registry office. And don't worry, you won't need to figure this out alone. A member of the Baby in Brazil team will be there with you. We guide you through every form, every document, every signature. We help gather the right information and ensure both parents are listed properly. The birth certificate is issued in Portuguese and becomes your child's first official Brazilian documents. It includes the full name of the baby, parents' names and nationalities, place and date of birth, legal registration details, and the CPF number for your child. Your child already have this important tax ID from Brazil. This document is what opens the door to Brazilian citizenship and the passport. Step 2. Preparing for the passport application. Just a few days later, usually within 2 or 3 business days, we begin the process for applying for your baby's Brazilian passport. We schedule an appointment at the Federal Police, which is the agency responsible to issue all passports in Brazil. And here's the good news. You don't need to go to a court, you don't need a lawyer. This is a standard, well-defined, and perfectly legal process. All you need is the original birth certificate, parents' passports, parents' CPF, Brazilian tax ID number, and the application form, which you fill out together step by step. You will never be left guessing what to do or where to go. Step 3. Submitting the application. We go with you on the day of the appointment. We go with you to the passport office. We are physically there, translating, supporting, organizing everything. The Baby in Brazil team translates and notarizes all necessary documents, pays the government fee on your behalf, checks every detail to avoid errors and rejections, makes sure your baby's photo is taken properly and linked to the record. Everything is official, everything is organized. You are not standing in a foreign building feeling lost. You are accompanied every moment, every question. Step 4. Receiving the passport, a powerful moment. The passport is usually ready within 7 to 10 business days. When it's issued, we go with you to pick it up, and we check it with you before you leave. Then it's yours, that moment holding your baby's first international passport. It's emotional, it's real, it's the beginning of a road of possibilities. What does this passport give your child? With a Brazilian passport, your baby can travel across Latin America without a visa, apply for visas in US, Canada, Europe, and many other countries, be officially registered at embassies as Brazilian citizen, have access to healthcare, education, and legal rights for life. And remember, this passport doesn't cancel the original nationality. If your country allows dual citizenship, your baby keeps both. One identity doesn't replace another. It expands. You should know. This process is legal, it's safe, it's organized. And Baby in Brazil is deeply personal. We support you from the moment of your birth to the moment you hold that blue passport in your hand. You don't need to speak Portuguese, you don't need to figure it out alone, you just need someone you can trust. So, what's the next step? Send us a message on WhatsApp. Let us know your due date, your plans, your hopes. We will take care of the rest. Legally, respectfully, and with love. Because this is more than a paperwork. It's your child's first step into the role. We are Baby in Brazil, passport in hand.